Hey guys, we have 9 plus 3 times 2 minus 5. Now let's solve this step by step. 9 plus 3 times 2 equals 6 minus 5, right? Now 9 plus 6 equals 15. Sorry, 15 minus 5, right? Now 15 minus 5 equals 10. This gives us 10, but this is wrong. Parentheses must be done first, right? Then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction after multiplication and division. We use PEMDAS rule, follow the order of operations, right? So now let's solve it correctly. We use PEMDAS rule, parentheses first, right? Then exponents, then multiplication and division, right? Okay. Then addition and subtraction after multiplication. Now, first of all, inside the parentheses, 9 plus 3 equals 12 times 2 minus 5, right? Now, 12 times 2 equals 24 minus 5, and 24 minus 5 equals 19.